In the previous lecture, we have seen how we can download and install Kali as our main operating system by using the ISO image. Now in this lecture, we are going to see how we can download and install Kali as our virtual machine. Now we're going to use a program called VirtualBox to use our Kali Linux as a virtual machine. Just click on it and you will be redirected to this page. And then you just want to click on download VirtualBox. And then you'll select your operating system. And in our case, we have Windows. So I'm going to select Windows. And then you want to download it. Now in my case, I have already downloaded. You can see it here. So this is it. The next step is to go to the official website of Kali. You will also find it in the resources of this lecture. It's kali.org. And instead of clicking on bare metal, we're gonna say virtual machines. And you can see that you have two programs. You have VMware and VirtualBox. Now, since we have downloaded VirtualBox, then we are going to install the Kali image that works with VirtualBox. So just click on the download icon here and save the file. And I have already downloaded. Now in the next lecture, we are going to see how we can use VMware. It's very similar to VirtualBox. I remember that the old version of VirtualBox was a little bit slow, but now the new version of VirtualBox is much faster than before. And it's free, VMware is paid, so you can use either VMware or VirtualBox, that's up to you. And you want to select that whether you have 64 or 32-bit. In my case, I have 64-bit. And you can see that these are the default credentials. The username is going to be Kali and the password is going to be Kali. Now we need to install VirtualBox. Just double click on it. It's very basic and simple. You just have to say next, where you want to install it, then next. And I don't want to say yes because I've already installed it. So I'm going to say no and exit. And the next step is to double click on the Kali image that you have installed it from the official website, and this will open the VirtualBox app or program, and then you will be asked to import this image. So all you have to do is, let me say cancel, all you have to do is to say import and then agree, and this could take 1 to 2 minutes. So after the import is completed, we are going to click on the image and say start. So now it's asking for the username and the password, and it was Kali for the username and the password is also Kali. Then hit enter. So now here is our new Kali. So when we open the terminal, here is it. It's very fast and smooth. It's much better than the previous version. Now keep in mind that this is an updated lecture. This is why we are using the new Kali. And you will notice that all the next sections are going to be used by the old Kali. We are using the old Kali version, but this doesn't make any difference because all the commands are going to be. The only difference is with the new Kali, when you open the terminal, you have the user rights. But with the old version of Kali, which is, I think it was 2018 or 17, I don't remember. But when you open the terminal, you get the root privileges. So in the new Kali, the privileges that you get once you open the terminal are the user privileges, and in the old Kali, you will get the root privileges. But this doesn't make a difference because when we type sudo su, and then it's gonna ask us to enter the password, which is gonna be Kali, and then you are root. So that's it, because sometimes some commands won't work unless you are root. So to be root, just type sudo su, and it's gonna ask for the password, type Kali, and then now you are root and you can run whatever command you want.